In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay execution with add tools. Sleep. If you've ever needed your automation to pause for a moment, maybe to give an external service time to update, to space out API calls, or simply to avoid rate limits, this is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. Start by adding the Sleep tool to your workflow. Open your toolbox or module list, locate Tools, and choose Sleep. Drag it right into the flow at the exact point where you want to pause. Place it after the step that finishes and before the step that should wait. For clarity later, it can help to rename the module with the delay you intend to use, like Sleep 30s, so you can recognize it at a glance. Next, set the delay time. Open the Sleep configuration and choose how long the pause should be. Depending on your platform, you might enter a number of seconds, pick a unit like seconds or minutes, or provide milliseconds. For example, 30 seconds or 30,000 milliseconds will produce the same result. Use shorter delays for quick tests and longer delays in production when you truly need extra buffer time. If your tool supports it, you can map a dynamic value so the delay adjusts based on data from earlier steps. But make sure that value is always valid and within any platform limits. Then, connect the next module to the Sleep tool. Link the output of the step before Sleep into it, and link Sleep forward to the module that should resume after the pause. This ensures the downstream action will not fire until the delay has fully elapsed. If you're branching your flow, insert the Sleep only on the branch that needs waiting. Now, run your workflow. Start a manual run or trigger it as you normally would and watch the execution. You should see the steps before Sleep complete, then a hold for exactly the duration you configured, and only then the next module will proceed. If it seems to continue immediately, double-check that you connected the modules in the right order. If the wait is longer or shorter than expected, verify the units you entered and whether your platform expects milliseconds versus seconds. And that's all there is to it. By adding tools, Sleep, setting a delay time, connecting the next module, and running your scenario, you get precise, dependable delayed execution exactly where your workflow needs it.